Tommy works as a video editor. He frequently has to encode large high-definition video files. He is finding that file conversion takes a long time to complete and there's limited amount of work he can do in a day. Which upgrade is most important? The processor, RAM, solid state drive, or updating the software? In general, all the above answers could yield some performance increase. I think for this question, the hint is in the biggest improvements rather than just an improvement. And Tommy wants an improvement in productivity specifically. Upgrading or updating the video editing software for updates. This may fix bugs and improve the efficiency depending on the nature of the bugs it fixes. Some efficiency tweaks that the manufacturer could do for the software could be tweaks to better utilize resources, hardware resources, and these gains will most likely be superficial. There won't be substantial gains, but they could be gains nevertheless. Upgrading the RAM could improve the performance of the application in general, the responsiveness, especially if he's running low in RAM. This is because the application can retrieve data from the RAM or memory opposed to the slower hard drive, thus speeding things up. A solid state drive or SSD, this could improve responsiveness as well, especially compared to traditional hard disk drive. And the latency is lower, has a faster read-write throughput, and this alone will make things a little bit snappier, improve performance, improve application loading times. And if you're handling very large files like Tommy, this will improve performance. However, this question is a tricky one because he's saying he's doing a very specific task, which is video editing, and he wants the most important beneficial performance boost for the productivity. So in this case, it has to be the processor. The processor upgrade will yield the biggest performance, especially if he's encoding. This is because encoding relies heavily on the computational power. So just going from one generation of processor to the next generation of processor, that computational power alone should be enough to improve performance substantially, especially if the core count is increased or the thread count is increased as well with that processor upgrade. So yeah, the answer to this, the biggest improvement will come from the processor upgrade.